Welcome to the part 21 of the Gregg Shorthand course. In this video, we're going to have a look at Shun, which means that we will see that how to make some words containing Shun. Alright, so first of all, we will make some characters like F, V, N, S, and K. Alright, so F in Gregg Shorthand is made like this. V is made like this, N is made like this, S is made like either like this or like this, then K is made like this. Alright, so if we look here, this Shun, alright, this is Shun. So we will see that how to wherever we have a sound pronounced as Shun, or you can say like Shun, or like Shun, or you can say like this Shun. Alright, so we will see that how we will be making such words where we have a sound like Shun or Shun. Alright, so suppose if we have a word here called fashion. Alright, so now okay, before that let's see that how we will be making this Shun. So if we notice here that ish is represented by this symbol like this, so we will use this exact symbol while representing the sound Shun, right? For Shun also we will be using this symbol. So suppose we have this word fashion. So if you notice here, first we have F, then A vowel, which is similar to this one as in mat. Then we have this ish, or you can say fashion, right? We have this Shun. So we see here that we have this Shun sound coming, which is exactly like this as in here. So we will be using this ish character here to represent this Shun sound. Alright, fashion. So first F, then A, then we have this Shun. So this word will be made like this. So see what we did here. First we have this F, then we have this A vowel, which is a large circle like here as in mat vowel. Then we have this ish character. Alright, so here we used this ish symbol. Alright, and as I told you here that to represent this sound Shun and Sun or similar sounds like that, we will be using this ish character here also. So that's why we used this ish character. So this is our word fashion. Right, so let's take next word. Like we have a word called action. So now if we pronounce this word, it goes like action. So first we have this A vowel, alright, as in mat. Then we have this K, because it goes like action. So we have this K, then we have this Shun, so action. So here also we will be using this ish character, the same character to represent the sound of Shun. So let's make this word. This word will be made like this. Alright, so first we have this A vowel, then we have this K, then we have this Shun. So this is our word action. Alright, so now let's take the next, like we have this word nation. Alright, so first we have N, then A vowel this time as in came, like here, because it goes like nation. So here we have this came, so exact sound is coming. So we will be using this large circle here while making this word. Then we have this Shun. So let's make this word nation like this, right? So this is our N. Then we have this A vowel, right? Oh, A vowel, sorry. This is A vowel, nation. Then we have this Shun sound. So this is our word nation. So let's take next, like vision. So we have this V now, then this E vowel as in kit, alright, which is a small circle Then we have this Shun sound, right? So vision. So now we have this Shun sound. So to represent any sound similar to Shun, Shun, we will be using this ish character, right? So let's make this word vision. This will be made like this. Alright, so this is our, first of all, V, which is a large curve. Then we have this small circle, which is E vowel, alright, because we use this small circle to denote this sound E, alright. Then we have this final ish, which is Shun. So this is our word vision. Let's take next, like session. So now we have this S here. Then we have this E vowel, as in like get. Alright, then we have this Shun. We say Shun. Alright, we have this Shun because it goes like session. So we have this Shun sound. So let's make this word. This will be made like this, because first we have this S, alright, or maybe let's make like this, maybe. Alright, this is a, because this was a little slant, so this, let's take this one. First we have S, then a vowel, which is small circle, then we have this final Shun. So this is our word session. Alright. Alright, let's take another like section. Okay, section. So we have section. So first we have S, then a vowel, which is similar to as get, as in get. Then we have this K, because it goes like section. So we have K, then we have this Shun. So let's make this word like this, right, or like this. Alright, so this is our, first of all, S, then this is our A vowel, which is a small circle, then we have this K, then we have this Shun. Right, so this is our word section. So you have to keep this in mind, that whenever we have to make any word where Shun or similar sounds is coming, we have to use the ish character, okay, to represent the Shun or similar sounds. Alright, so that was all about it. I'll see you in the next video.